To create a YouTube channel, first go to Chrome and sign in your email. Then go to youtube.com. Then automatically YouTube will read your details from the email. So we need to go here and select your channel. As you can see already, now add cut, add art. Then use the best photo you want to do your channel cut. You can get it from Pexels, or you can simply take your photo. Here you can get free photos which you can upload in YouTube for free. Now this is how it will be looking in desktop, TV and mobile. So click on select. Then here, so we need to choose the best icon. So already downloaded and upload this one. Now you can crop it. You want it to appear. Then apply. Come to about. Select a location. Then channel description, you can write something like this channel for learning. Ways to cook. Then if you have any other channels, you can link it here. Now go back to YouTube Studio. Come on settings. This is now where we are finalizing our settings. Now come to general. Make sure it is in the currency that it's common, which is US dollar. Then on keywords, this you add keywords that people search, those questions that people mostly search. So for me, I have mine here, which I already placed it here. This will help people search you on YouTube and find it easily. So the best keyword you have will determine how fast you can be reached. You can learn more this if you want to know how to get keywords for YouTube. Just come and search here how to cook for my example, then select your country, then search. You see, these are the most questions people ask, so I can even copy this and I will add. So make sure you separate with commas. This, then can add to my channel. So when people search anything up that I've mentioned here, they will easily get me. So let's go to advanced. So do you want to set your channel as meant for kids? Always say no. No, that's not meant for kids. Then go to brand. This one you can add it later, and icon that will help people subscribe to your channel while watching the video. Then the rest is just by default. Then click save. Then go back here. Let's see if everything is intact. So then visibility, this is when you upload videos. If you put here public, it will directly go to public, but when you put private and unlisted, will allow you to change every time you want to upload video. So it's always good to say unlisted, because when you upload multiple videos at the same time, you will not want it to go public all at the same time. So you will have option to select this manually. So it's good to stay unlisted, so that you can upload as many videos as possible at the same time, but you only choose the one that you want it to go public at that particular time. So make sure you read about permissions, the community guidelines, and agreements. So everything is intact, and we save. To upload our first video, click here, then select files, then choose it. As it's uploading, then you need to write a title for that video. How to prepare chapati. Then this is where you write your description. Tell them this is the easiest. Where to prepare. Chapati. Then upload a thumbnail for the video. Thumbnail is what people will see when they search their video. For example, see this green one. This is thumbnail. When you play this video, it might be something different. So upload thumbnail. Then select more. After selecting more, come down here and add tags for this video. So like I said, you need to look the specific tag that people will search and find your video. So they can be as many as 500 words. Let's go with this. Now, video language, select if it's English. Then leave this blank. Then select the recording date and video location. You can choose Kenya. Then go next. Then go next. And as we said, if you don't want to publish it just now, click unlisted, but for now I'm publishing it. Everyone can watch my video, and I will copy link and publish, and the process will be seen here. Your channel is up and running. The very last thing you need to do is to verify your account. So that you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes and uplift other restrictions. So let's go here to settings, then channel, then feature eligibility, then scroll this. You can see if you verify your account, you will upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You can upload custom thumbnails, live stream, and appealing content ID claims. So click on verify your account, select your country, then select text, then write your number, then submit. You'll get a code and put that code here and submit, and that's how you create your YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more tips on how you can grow your channel.